Right, so just going to give you a quick walk around the car. Very solid everywhere. Engine cold. I'll show you the start. First time I've ever had a Delta where there's no funny warning lights. So obviously you get the normal test. Here we go. I've just got the handbrake lights on. Everything correct and working as it should. It's all very, very tidy. Alcantara in great condition. Little stop clock thing. Manual sunroof. All the doors work properly. As you can see, the interior is really nice condition. Parcel shelf still there with its little things that hold it in. To the boots, it's just been fully serviced. There's full service history. All the wheels are in great condition. There's the spare Pirelli tyre on it. You've got the jack there. Some Lancia buffs may be excited to know that it's got all original screws. The wheels in good condition. All of the badges. The rust. Yeah, usual problems around the front windscreen. And then a little bit on the sunroof. I can source another sunroof in white for you for I think about 75 quid. And the rear roof not too bad. And then a little bit around the rear windscreen as well. The arches, as you can see, there's this is all cosmetic. It's not structural, and I can actually demonstrate that because if you know about Deltas, you'll know that the inner arches can really go. So we've just got this sort of cosmetic outside stuff, which is really not too tricky to sort out. But it's the inner arches have been done previously, and I can take the car apart a little bit to show you. Should you wish to see the car or buy it. But there we go. Actually I should show you the front of the car. So 116,500 miles, fully serviced, 12 months MOT, plenty of recent work. Really nice little car.